So you've learned how to DJ. You've learned how to beat match by ear, I hope. Now you want to become a DJ. Great. So where do you go from there? My name is DJ CB and I want to help you go from a bedroom DJ to a club, bar, events DJ. So I've gone from this to this in almost 3 years. I started 4th of December 2017. It takes time, so you need to be consistent and patient. I want you to drop a comment below with a question you have. For example, how to get a club gig, how to get a residency, how to come up with a DJ name, how to get your music, anything. And I'll create a video on it, how I did it, and my general advice around it. I want to share my knowledge with you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.